The past continuous tense is a crucial aspect of business English, as it allows us to describe actions that were ongoing or in progress at a specific point in the past. In the context of work situations, the past continuous tense helps us convey the sequence of events, show different actions happening at the same time, and provide context for past achievements or challenges. One common use of the past continuous tense in business English is to describe ongoing tasks or activities that were taking place at a specific time in the past. For example, I was preparing the report when the client called. They were negotiating the terms of the contract while we were working on the presentation. She was handling customer inquiries when the system crashed. In these examples, the past continuous tense is used to show that the actions were in progress at a particular moment in the past, providing a clear timeline of events. Another important use of the past continuous tense in business English is to describe simultaneous actions or events that were happening at the same time. For instance, while I was updating the website, my colleague was conducting a market research. The team was finalizing the project proposal as the CEO was reviewing the financial statements. The sales team was attending a conference while the marketing team was launching a new campaign. By using the past continuous tense in these sentences, we can convey the idea that multiple actions were occurring concurrently, highlighting the complexity and dynamics of work situations. Furthermore, the past continuous tense can also be used to provide background information or context for past achievements or challenges in business English. For example, we were dealing with a shortage of supplies before we secured a new supplier. The company was facing financial difficulties until the restructuring plan was implemented. Our team was struggling to meet deadlines until we improved our project management process. In these instances, the past continuous tense helps to set the scene and explain the circumstances that led to a particular outcome, giving a more comprehensive understanding of past work situations. In conclusion, the past continuous tense is an essential tool in business English for describing past work situations. By using this tense effectively, we can provide a detailed and coherent account of ongoing activities, simultaneous actions, and background context in the professional environment. Mastering the past continuous tense will not only enhance your communication skills, but also improve your ability to recount past experiences in a clear and engaging manner.